I have lost a brother. I have lost a friend. I have lost a defender. I will never heal. Not today, not tomorrow, not forever. And to my family, my siblings, my parents, my aunts, my uncles, I want to say, I'm sorry. Why am I saying sorry? There's no even single day I called my parents, nor my siblings, to tell them the situation of my brother. Not because I didn't want to say anything, but because I knew the pain, the weight, the disappointment, the frustrations, and you can imagine the distance. I want to thank my uncle Boaz Ogeto for being there for me. If I wanted to cry, I used to call my uncle and cry. If I wanted to say something, my uncle was there for me. If Boaz needed something, and there's a time we felt overwhelmed, I can call uncle and tell uncle, you know, Sam is going through a lot. We can do something, despite that he is not asking. So I'm not here to say that we supported Sam so much. It was our responsibility as the family to take care of my brother. But the distance was not allowing. So Uncle Derek, may the God bless you. And thanks for traveling all the way from America to bury your nephew. To all friends who understood my silence and stood by my side, called me several times, I didn't answer your call. Some thought I had changed my number, but my number was fairly active. Thank you for standing with me. But for those who left the time I needed you most, please, goodbye. My brother was a strong pillar. I'm telling you, my brother suffered. My brother went through hell, but he stood firm. He used to tell me, Mokogoti, will I make it? And I would tell him that, you know, you are people's president. You can fight this. I went to see my brother in America. For those who know, I left America 2023, June 5th. And I had a candid conversation with my brother. He knew that I was not going back to America. My brother knew that after coming to Kenya, I would go back to Canada. But I had told him it was for a short while, it was for just 1 year, for me to go back to America again. So for those who doesn't know, I was not in America the entire time my brother was sick. I didn't have a visa to go back to America. But I was fighting for that visa because I knew at the end of the day I was going to be back to America. How did I get the information? I landed at Chairman, wanting to connect my flight to Canada, to Kenya. And then I got so many missed calls, so many WhatsApp texts. For those who have traveled, you know when you land and you have a connection flight, I had only 1 hour, so I did not go through the messages and messengers. So I boarded my flight, reaching to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. I got a call from Canada. This is my long-term friend. He calls me and tells me, Evelyn, where are you? We have been looking for you, and we can't find you. I told him, I'm on my way to Kenya. Right now I'm in Nairobi. And he tells me that your brother is sick, is in the hospital. Let me connect you with someone so that you can know the condition of your brother. He connected me with someone. And this man breaks news that your brother fell down. He has a tumor in the brain. As we speak, he's in theater. To me, you know, if you go to Google, you can find all the answers. I found comforted answers that not all tumors are cancerous. I landed to Nairobi, so heartbroken, though my friends had knew the news. And from there, my life changed. I kept quiet. I never explained to anybody what cancer stage 4 means. I carried the pain, and I'm still carrying that pain. And I will forever carry the pain. For those people who are dragging my family online, may the good Lord bless you. We are a peaceful family, and I will strongly say that. We come from a peaceful family, and even my uncles who are here, they can testify. We are not goons. We love Boaz's wife. We love the son. And nobody in Kisi culture, Mondo tayo ra serio mwano ye, mukama muroyo wato mwano puma muroyo. Mondo tayo. Ladies, as you all know, we are strangers in our families. I don't think this woman sitting right here and this man sitting right here will do such a thing. Shame on you for those who are dragging my family online. Shame on you. And for those people who are cheering, those people, those nonsense people, I want to tell you that God in heaven will punish you. You guys, you don't know what we have gone through for the last 1.5 years. We don't know. I did not tell June anything because I don't want her to break down and she's taking care of the baby. I couldn't be that stupid, and I will never be that stupid to chase this woman away. I am a woman as well. I am married somewhere. I have children. Why would I do something like that? Why? Why? I went to visit my brother when I got a visa to go back to US. That was November 20th. I stayed with my brother for 21 days. The pain, the agony, I cried in that house. Only God can say something. Only God can explain what I went through in 21 days with my brother in so much pain. But let me tell you one thing. My brother is not dead. This man here is not dead. When God comes, this man will arise a strong man. This man sleeping here did not forget even a single day to pray. My brother did not. My brother prayed to the last minute. Even when my brother was not speaking for 7 days, if you go to hospice, kumuona, my brother was, if you say, let us pray, he will listen to your prayer and he will respond, despite that he was not speaking. My brother died a strong man. My brother asked me to be strong and to make my family strong. And that's what I've been doing, and I will continue doing to the rest of my life. This is my family. These are my siblings. They will remain to be my siblings. They will remain to be my family. Asha will remain to be my son, no matter what. I'm not just talking because you are sitting here. I'm just talking what I know. I personally will take care of Asha. I don't need help to take care of just one child. My nephew right there, wamemaliza form 4. Si eti ni mchango niliitisha nikiwasomesha, and then you are telling me about Asha. People are bragging. After Pario, you will never see those people. For the friends of Boaz, may the good Lord bless you. For people from my village, may the good bless you. For those who contributed in any way, I just want to say thank you. For my friends who have stood with me, may the God bless you. To my siblings, we will remain together and we will make our family great again. No matter what's going on, right? We don't care. And I want to say, we don't care. We have cried enough. I have cried enough for 30 days. May the good God bless you all.